Students, see the question. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. एक umbrella है जिसके 8 ribs हैं. Assuming to be a flat circle, अगर उसे हम assume करें flat circle में, of radius 45 सेंटीमीटर, जिसका रेडियस 45 सेंटीमीटर है. Find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. स्टूडेंट यहां देखिए अम्ब्रेला है एंड 8 रिब्स हैं, तो ये 8 इक्वल सेक्टर्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है पूरे सर्किल को, यानी 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा है. नाउ 8 ribs are dividing circle into 8 equal parts. So area between two consecutive ribs are pi r square upon 8. Simple. Now here radius r is equal to 45 centimeter. So area will be 22 upon 7 into 45 into 45 upon 8. Now यहां पर हम क्या करेंगे, 8 और 22 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, that will become 11 and that will become 4. So 11 into 45 into 45 upon 7 into 4, that will become 22,275 upon 28 centimeter square. This question is completed.